babe, I wanna create an upcycled fashion collection. I think I can create an upcycled fashion collection. All right, I will design an upcycled fashion collection. But what if it sucks? Be afraid and do it anyway. All right, that's it. I am designing an upcycled fashion collection for Fashion Week. I'm creating a fashion collection for Fashion Week. I'm creating a fashion collection for Fashion Week. I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. And I am designing a upcycled fashion collection. And it will be ready to show you guys by the next time Fashion Week rolls around. That is, wait, I've got to pause just to, I'm going so fast. That is for spring summer 2020. So it'll be a spring and summer collection, and it'll go along with the same thing that'll be shown at Fashion Week in September, this coming September of 2019. And I am so excited and so a lot of emotions. But you guys know that this channel, I base this channel off of just not letting anything stop me. And so I'm so excited about this because I have been wanting to do this since before my husband passed away. And you know, you guys know that when struggles come, sometimes we let our dreams and the things that we want to do, we just kind of let them sit and we say, oh, I'll get back to it. But I am not letting anything stop me. It has not been commissioned by anyone. I am doing it because I want to do it, and I am doing it for myself. It is all me, and I am so excited. It's gonna be, I have to breathe. It's gonna have at least 5 looks. Like a typical collection will have at least 10 looks, but I am going to shoot for at least 5. And the way it's going to work is my videos won't change. I am not going to tell you guys what pieces are going to go in the collection and what pieces won't. It's going to be a surprise reveal to the end. You guys can conjecture as to what pieces are in the collection. The theme for this collection is determination against all odds, and so I'm super excited because I'm all about that. You guys know if you've been following this channel, and if you haven't, definitely subscribe so you don't miss this. In the end, all of this is going to go into a playlist so it can be watched from this video all the way until the final reveal. But for now, you guys will not know which pieces are in and which pieces are out. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. And the great thing, as always, you guys always are part of the process. And and you don't even know that you already started being part of the process because I'm already starting to design it. And I asked you guys on Instagram and Facebook the other day to give me some of your favorite spring and summer things that you like to wear. And so yes, I'm designing it, but the pieces that you guys want to see will be in there. And so you guys gave me some really good suggestions, and definitely, if the comments are active, if YouTube will get it together and allow me to have comments, then put in the comments what are your all-time favorite things to wear in the spring and summer. And if those comments are not active, go ahead and head on over to Facebook or Instagram at BlueprintDIY and let me know what are your favorite things to wear in the spring and summer. So the end reveal, it may be a video. I'm shooting for an actual runway show here in Houston. It would be great to show at New York Fashion Week, but I'm shooting for a runway show here in Houston because actually, if people didn't know this, actual runway shows cost a grip. And this is for me. This is for my own personal, just to have fun and to love fashion. So I do not want it to cost a grip. So I am shooting for a runway show here in Houston, but if not, it will be an amazing runway show video, as always, that we do on this channel. So I'm super excited about that. And like I said, I won't be letting you guys know which pieces, but I will be bringing my Team Renegade Members Only Club members along with me. So you guys will get more information, because y'all know I can't keep a secret. So I have to tell somebody, so I don't tell everybody. So I hope you guys are excited about that. And if you're not a member, definitely hit that join button down below, or go to my website, BlueprintDIY.com, and hit the button that says Live Upcycles and become a member of my Team Renegade Members Only group. And I can't tell you guys how appreciative I am of you guys. This would not be possible without you guys, your encouragement. Every time I feel down, you guys are always right there. And so just sending you guys cyber hugs through the camera, through the universe to you guys. And I appreciate you guys so much. And next week we will be going thrift shopping for some goodies to start this collection. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.